we are not, I mean, the black box has been retrieved. What this means, and I'd like to go to Group Captain Augustine Vinod next, what means that now that we will know what happened after the chopper lost contact with the ATC. Now this happens about 300 meters to maybe 1 kilometer from the accident spot, and the black box holds the critical data on the chain of events in the last few minutes. So the fact that the black box has been retrieved, we will get to know what was happening in its last few minutes of maneuver, perhaps.
Arnab, to me, the video that you put out, that 15-second video, holds much more water than any other videos and images that we have seen. There are two terminologies that I want to leave with you. That is a terminology called IIMC, Inadvertent Instrument Meteorological Condition. If you look at the flight path of the helicopter, the pilot is committed to land, and he has seen the helipad. But suddenly you see that it is engulfed by a fog which is coming from the left, as you can see it on the screen. So inadvertently, they have moved from a visual condition. Helicopter, remember, flies mostly in visual condition because it flies closer to terrain, it flies slow, and there's a lot of skill involved in flying an helicopter, much more than a fixed wing. So when it gets engulfed, he has to transit to instruments and carry out instrument flying. Like Nitin covered, the standard operating procedure is if it is transitory, you continue, otherwise you'll have to turn around and come back. Now, you notice the sound. That is, to me, sound is of more essence than the visual itself. Of course, the visual speaks 1,000 words. The moment it goes into the cloud, just maybe a second or second and a half later, maybe 2 seconds later, you can hear the main rotors hitting something. My suspect is, or we need to see it on the ground, could it be a tree or a cable or something which the pilot didn't see? And that eventually led to this catastrophic failure, is my understanding of this entire thing. And I've been here, the Staff College is my alma mater. I have a place here. I have walked this particular, the rail track that you see many a times. So I know the lay of the land. And I'm also a member of the place where this helicopter was going to land. So with all that as the background, I'm telling you this. That is IIMC, Inadvertent Instrument Meteorological Condition leading to CFIT, Controlled Flight into the Terrain. In fact, I've just written an article on it explaining the whole thing. Remember, we are made for terra firma, birds are meant for air. Anytime, Arnab, you have traveled from Mumbai to Delhi and vice versa many times. Whenever you sit in the aircraft, you have that in the back of your mind, this machine could go wrong and I could go down with it. So whenever anyone gets into an aeroplane, the risk of you crashing always lurks somewhere at the back of your mind. But what is important for us to understand is that the weather was very good, like Nitin covered at Coimbatore, the Sulur, when the launch base. The weather was good at Wellington, but the ridge had a little bit of clouding, which is very, very typical in the Udi Hills, Nilgiris, especially in this time of the year. In fact, in the evening, like I'm very close by right now, as I'm speaking to you, in the evening it rained heavily over here. So it is a normal thing that happens due to something called an orographic lifting where the clouds form. That is important for us to understand. The next visual which is coming on your screen is the visual of the fire. Just in the morning, I wrote an article on it. This particular helicopter is built like a tank. There is a polyurethane foam which covers the entire fuel tank. The fuel tank itself is made out of self-sealing material, which means it can take on multiple bullet holes and yet not catch fire. It has the main rotor which can take a lot amount of beating and still fly. It has wire cutters in front. None of the earlier Mi-8, Mi-17 helicopters had this. It has armored plating on either side of the nose. You can see it very clearly. So this helicopter is meant to take punishment. The fire that you see has happened because the fuel tank broke up on impact and then it caught fire on the ground. So these are two things I thought I must put to rest.
I want to just, Group Captain, excellent analysis there.